Hello everyone, how are you today? Today I will introduce YouTube. Are you ready for this lesson? Let's start it. What is YouTube? It is a platform for watching videos. You may have a question. I can watch TV directly. Why should I use YouTube? The most important thing is TV programs are follow the schedule. You cannot decide what you want to watch on the TV, but YouTube can do it as long as you can connect to the internet. And where can we find YouTube? You can see the button at the right upper corner. Click it and you can see YouTube button. The other way is type YouTube website address directly. And the website will turn to YouTube page. Now let's start to search for the video you want to watch. You should type the keywords of what you want to watch. The possible results will appear. All of the results here have one thing in common. Their names all have the keyword Malaysia food. Last, choose the video which you are looking for and click it. And let's see the sample video. Find the YouTube and type what you want to search here. And I type Malaysia food. And the corresponding video will appear in this page and I click it. And I can watch this video now. We already know how to find videos. Maybe you will encounter some situation when you watch videos. For example, you think the speed of video is too fast or too slow. Another situation is that you don't understand what is talking about in the video. The last situation is the video is too blurry to see the content. And YouTube can deal with these problems. Let's keep watching. First, you can adjust speed of videos. We should click a gear shift button first. Then click playback speed button. And choose the speed options. If you want to slow down the video, choose the number smaller than 1. The smaller the number is, the slower the video will be. So as to speed up the video, choose the number larger than 1. The larger the number is, the faster the video will be. Let's see the sample video. I think this video is too slow. And I click this button and I choose the speed of 2. Now let's see the video again. And you can see this video become faster. Second, when you are watching a video, but you cannot understand what the speakers are talking about in the video, maybe it's about a language problem or accent problem. When you encounter this situation, show the subtitle is a good choice. Similar steps like speed. Click the gear shift button and click Subtitle CC, and you can see the options of subtitle appear. Maybe you can also choose subtitle with the language you know. And let's see the sample video. I don't understand what he is talking about, so I choose the subtitle and you can see an English subtitle appear. And I can understand now. Last, you may see the blurry picture in the video. This is quality problem. The only thing you should do is adjust the quality. Similar steps like subtitle. Click the gear shift button and click quality. And you can see the options of quality appear. Choose the larger number of quality than the original number, and you can see the video becomes clear. And let's see the sample video. At first, I think the video is too blurry, so I change the quality to 1080p. And now let's see the video again. This time the video becomes much more clear than the before one. I will introduce the last function called subscribe. If you like the style of this video, you can subscribe the author's channel, and you will see more videos made by this author in your page. The only thing you should do is just click subscribe button. Back to the home page. You can see the author you just subscribed appear in your home page. Click it, and you can see more videos made by the author here. Let's see the sample video. I like the author's style and I subscribe to the channel. I can see this channel appear in my homepage. And you have a homework in this lesson. Find the channel named PassByValue and subscribe it. This is the end of the lesson. Don't forget to review the course content by your own. And see you next time. Bye bye.